Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting Homebrew if you don't have it. It simplifies package installs. Once done, run brew install Git Bash to fetch the tools. Make sure your shell can find them by exporting the Homebrew bin into path. On Apple Silicon, that's /opt/homebrew/bin. On Intel, it's /usr/local/bin. You do this so the terminal uses the installed Git and Bash instead of older system versions, which avoids permission and feature mismatches later in workflows. You now configure Git and switch shells. First, set your identity with git config global user. Name and user. Email so commits are attributed correctly. Next, change your login shell with chshs pointing at the Homebrew Bash path to get newer features. You might need to add that path to /etc/shells first. Then create an SSH key with SSH keygen TED 25519, copy the public key, and add it to Git hosting to enable secure pushes. You finish by optimizing daily use and handling common problems. Create Git aliases for speed, br, sint, so commands flow faster. Enable the OSCSKchain credential helper to cache HTTPS credentials securely. Alternatively, rely on SSH agent forwarding. If you run into problems, first confirm the path points to Homebrew binaries, check file permissions on /SSH and the repo, and ensure SSH agent is running. If issues persist, restart terminal or log out and back into a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.